In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use the Asana integration with HubSpot. This is an essential guide for anyone looking to streamline their project management processes by combining these powerful tools. So let's dive in and find out how you can make the most of this integration. To get started, let's head over to the HubSpot user guide. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Marketplace option. The Marketplace is your gateway to a variety of integrations and apps that can extend the functionality of HubSpot. Browsing through the Marketplace can be quite insightful as it offers many useful tools and applications to enhance your user experience. After clicking on the Marketplace, your next step is to navigate to the Apps section. This is where you will find a comprehensive list of all available applications that can be connected to HubSpot. The Apps section is designed to make it easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for, and it often highlights popular and recommended apps that other users are benefiting from. Now, in the search bar, type in Asana. As you type, HubSpot will start showing you related results, and soon enough, you'll see the Asana app appear in the list. Once you've located the Asana app, click on it. Opening the app page will provide you with detailed information about the app, including user reviews, a description of its features, and screenshots that can help you understand what to expect from the integration. The final step to integrate Asana with HubSpot is to click on the Install App button. This step is crucial as it initializes the connection between HubSpot and Asana. During installation, you might be required to approve certain permissions that allow the two platforms to share information seamlessly. Rest assured that this is standard procedure to ensure everything works smoothly. Once the app is installed, you'll be ready to start managing your projects more effectively. By integrating Asana with HubSpot, you can align your team's efforts, track project progress, and ensure everyone is on the same page. The integration helps in automating task creation from within HubSpot, keeping your project timelines updated, and centralizing all customer-related activities. As you explore this integration, take note of the different ways it can simplify your tasks and improve your workflow. Whether it's through managing tasks or syncing information across both platforms, this integration brings a wealth of opportunities for enhanced productivity and collaboration. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Asana with HubSpot. In just a few steps, you've opened up a new realm of productivity for your team. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you enjoy making the most of these powerful tools working together. Thank you for tuning in, and happy integrating.